Dhanu.
Hi, Mama.
Are you ready?
Yes, Mama.
Today I will ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes, Mama.
Tell me animal and their home. Lion lives in a.
Den.
Bear lives in a.
Cat.
Elephant lives in.
Parrot.
Deer lives in.
Gaussian.
Hippopotamus lives near.
Bolivian.
Cheetah lives in.
Savannah.
Monkey lives on.
Timor.
Camel lives in. Giraffe lives in a.
Savannah.
Cow lives in a.
Cataset.
Horse lives in a.
Double.
Donkey lives in a.
Double.
Rabbit lives in.
Burrow.
Ant lives in.
Artin.
Frogs lives near.
People. Yes. Boss.
Bee lives in a.
Hive.
Dog lives in a.
Tunnel.
A mouse lives in a.
Ha.
Bird lives in a.
Nest.
Panda lives in.
Babu Palace.
Spider lives in.
What?
Pig lives in.
Pizza.
Cat lives in a.
Cat.
Sheep lives in a.
Pen.
Dogs lives in.
Apple.
Fish also lives in.
Apple.
Snake lives in.
Bullet and hole.
Good boy. Thank you.
Video भला गिला आई